So, hey everyone. So, for our first project, we're going to be making a little piece of home decor to hang onto your walls. A little sign, if you will, wooden sign. So, the supplies that we're going to be using, we have some pre-cut, oh, we have some pre-cut flower templates, and you have several of these in your kit. You have a quilling tool, looks like this. And I'll explain what a quilling tool is and what it does during the project. I threw in some silicone finger protectors, so make sure you utilize these. And then you should all have a hot glue gun, glue sticks to go with the glue gun. I didn't grab any glue sticks to show you, but I think I think you can figure that one out. And then there's a wooden board with a decal on it of blooms here. So those are our supplies. So let's go ahead and we'll get to the rolling of our flowers. All right, everyone. So we're going to start by rolling our flowers. So all of these templates were pre-cut. I'm taking a look at mine and I'm noticing that some of my edges aren't super clean. And so I'm just double checking them. And if they aren't, I'm going to go ahead and trim them up. Okay. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hopefully yours are good, but if they're not, just trim them up. It won't take a long time, but it will give you a better looking flower. And this piece right here. Okay, so that's better. All right, so a couple things that I would like to point out. This is your outer edge of your spiral, and then in the center here, there's always a circle, okay? So we're gonna start at this outer edge, and when we finish, this circle will be left, and this circle is what we will glue to the base of the flower to secure the entire flower, okay? So we're gonna start, like I said, we're gonna start at this outer edge out here. I'm going to grab my quilling tool. Now, quilling is a creative art form that folks use where you basically make coils of paper and then you shape them to do different designs and stuff. And so this tool actually works really well for this process as well. So I'm just going to put the tool at the edge of the flower, and then I'm going to start to roll it, okay? I'm going to help it along a little with my fingers just to get it started. So once it's started, then I'm just going to keep rolling. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but I am rolling, just rolling, rolling, rolling. Okay? And get a little closer. We're rolling it. Do you need the quilling tool? Absolutely not. You can do without it, but it does, to me, it helps get it started a little easier. So if you wanted to take it out the tool, you can, and then you can do the rest with your fingers. Again, we're just rolling. As you roll, you want to try to keep that base even. Just keep on rolling. When we get towards the end, you see that that piece is left. I like to give my flower, let it fall out a little bit, just a little bit, so it's not so tight. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna use some hot glue, and let's secure this edge a little bit here. just so it doesn't continue to unravel. And then what I'm going to do is this circle, I'm going to load that up with hot glue. Loading that up with hot glue. And I'm going to cover the base here. I'm holding it there until it dries. Okay, there we go. That's my flower. Do another one. Do this kind. Same process, but it looks a little different. So again, leave the center circle for the outside, for last. Start on the outside. Fingers. So I'm putting this into my quilling tool. And I'm going to start rolling it. Now, I've seen people put these quilling tools inside of a drill. Oh, I lost the pedal. It'll be all right. I've seen them put it inside of a drill. And I was like, ooh, that looks cool. I know there's a little piece there. I'm just going to get that. That's scissors. Okay. So with this particular flower, it's really like kind of tight. So I like to try to spread the leaves out some. All right, I'm gonna finish rolling the rest of my flowers and then come back. Once you finish making all your flowers, then you can kind of line them up on your board and see how you like them arranged. Once you're happy with your placement, glue them down.